நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் லெசன் 1 மணி சேவிங்ஸ் அண்ட் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸை நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். விச் மெட்டல் வேர் யூஸ்டு ஃபார் மெட்டாலிக் மணி? ஆப்ஷன் டி, ஆல் த above இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Who designed the symbol of Indian rupee? Option A, Udayakumar is the correct answer. Next, third one, the value of money is option C. Both A and B are correct answer. Which is the black money? Option A, check is the correct answer. Pick out the incorrect statement 1. Investment can be made in different vehicle. Option D, pay tax is the correct answer. Among the following, who are responsible for black money? Option D, all the above is the correct answer. Filling the blanks, online banking is also known as net banking. Money is what money does. Electronic banking is also known as National Electronic Funds. Credit cards and debit cards are plastic money. In the 1935 year, Reserve Bank of India was established. நான் உங்களுக்கு ரெட் கலரில் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கிறது கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ். Match the following: barter system, exchange goods for goods, Reserve Bank Act 1935, e-money, electronic money, savings, consumers' disposable income, black money, tax evaders. Write the one-word answer. The word money is derived from Roman word monito zunu. Which bank gives to both short-term and long-term loans? Rural Cooperative Credit Institutions. Choose the correct statement. Barter system had many deficiency like the option C 1, 3 and 4 is the correct answer. Find out the odd one. Recent forms of money transaction are option B, barter system is the correct answer. The effects of black money on economy is option C, no effects on production is the correct answer. Short answers. What is barter system? A barter system is an old method of exchange. Barter system is exchanging goods for goods without the use of money in the primitive stage. What are the recent forms of money? Plastic money and e-money. Short note on e-banking and e-money. E-money, electronic money, is money which exists in banking computer system and is available for transactions through electronic system. E-banking, electronic banking, also known as National Electronic Fund Transfer, is simply the use of electronic means to transfer funds directly from one account to another rather than by check or cash. What are the essentials of money in our life? Money is used as the source to fulfill basic needs as well as comforts in life. It gets people accommodation, clothes, food and other things which add to luxury in life. It is an important source to live a healthy life too. What is the value of money? Value of money is the purchasing power of money over goods and services in a country. What is savings and investment? Savings are defined as the part of consumers' disposable income which is not used for consumption, rather kept inside for future use. Investment, the process of investing something is known as investment. It could be anything that is money, time, efforts or other resources that you exchange to earn returns in future. What is meant by black money? Black money is a form of unaccountable money. Black money is mostly created by business people. They do not show actual income earned in their economic activities. What are the effects of black money on economy? Dual economy, tax evasion, thereby loss of revenue to government, undermining equity, widening gap between the rich and poor. Next one, brief answer. What are the disadvantages of barter system? Lack of double coincidence of bonds, common measure of value, indivisibility of commodities, difficulties of storing wealth. Write about the evolution of money. Money has evolved through different stages according to time, place and circumstances. Commodity money. In the earliest period of human civilization, any commodity that was generally demanded and chosen by common consist was used as money. Example, goods like furs, skins, salt, rice, wheat, utensils, weapons, etc. Such exchange of goods for goods was known as barter system. Metallic money. With the progress of human civilization, commodity money changed into metallic money. Metals like gold, silver, copper, etc. are used as they could be easily handled. It was the main form of money throughout the major portion of recorded history. Paper money. It was found inconvenient as well as dangerous to carry gold and silver coins from place to place. So, invention of paper money marked as very important stage in the development of money. Paper money is regulated and controlled by Central Bank of country. At present, a very large part of money consists mainly of currency notes or paper money issued by the central bank. Credit money or bank money. Emergence of credit money tool plays almost side by side with that of paper money. Example, check. The check itself is not money, but it performs the same as the functions of money. Next one, near money. The final stage is the evolution of money has been use of bills of exchange, treasury bills, bonds, debentures, savings certificate, etc. What are the functions of money and explain it? Functions of money are classified into primary or main function, secondary function and contingent function. Primary or main function. Their main functions are medium of exchange or means of payment, measure of value, and the secondary functions. There are three important secondary functions: standard of deferred payment, store of value or store of purchasing power, transfer of value or transfer of purchasing power. Next one, contingent functions: basis of credit, increased productivity of capital, measurement and distribution of national income. Fourth one, explain the types of bank deposit. The student saving deposit. They are savings accounts some banks offer, especially as young people enrolled in high school or college. They may feature more flexible terms such as lower minimum balance requirements. Savings deposit. Savings deposit are opened by customers to save the part of their current income. The customers can withdraw their money from their accounts when they require it. The bank also gives the small amount of interest to the money in the saving deposit. Current account deposit. Current accounts are generally opened by business firms, traders and public authorities. The current accounts help in frequent banking transactions as they are repayable on demand. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit accounts are meant for investors who want their principal to be safe and yield them fixed yields. Fixed deposits are also called as term deposits as normally they are fixed for specific period. Next one, difference between the savings and investment. Basis of comparison, meaning savings represent that the part of person income which is not used for consumption. Investment refers to the process of investing funds in capital assets which a view to generate returns. Purpose, savings are made to fulfill short-term or urgent requirements. Investment is made to provide returns and help in capital formation. Risk, low or negligible, very high. Returns, no or less, comparatively high. Liquidity, highly liquid, less liquid. Next one, what are the effects of black money on economy? Dual economy, tax evasion, thereby loss of revenue to government, undermining equity, widening gap between the rich and poor, lavish consumption spending, distortion of production pattern, distribution of scarce resource, effects of production. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான வீடியோ I will be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching my channel.